Hello everybody. I'm in the Houston SOP class. Yes, we're just breaking for lunch and everybody's a bit spacey. What if everything you learned about being spacey wasn't a wrongness? What if it's actually where you have more of your capacities? So I think that's one of the things that keeps people from choosing to expand and being expansive. How many times were you made wrong for being spaced out? But what if you weren't spaced out? What if you were spaced in and nothing that the people were saying had any significance or any importance, so it didn't matter, and so you weren't really paying attention to them? But thank you. Thank you. We're going to lunch in a minute. So, everywhere you learn to contract, to fit in, to be like other people, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. And then just notice, like, oh wow, it's already a greater sense of space that I'm perceiving. So let's practice our expanding exercise and see how far you can expand out without losing that space afterwards. See how long you can maintain the space. And if something makes you contract again, expand out again. So feeling the room that you're in, and this is a great space because look at how high the ceiling is. So feeling the space of the room you're in. Oops, sorry, my bag fell. I'm gonna sit down. And going beyond that, feeling the city or town that you're in. And beyond that, and beyond that. And there's no definition required, just space. And notice the space in the molecules of your body expanding as you expand, and the relaxation in your body, and the quietness in your head. We would not choose this for what reason? So, I have another group that is called Expanding Your Sparkle. And in that group, we are going to be doing daily expanding exercises and some other challenges. So come and join. If you're interested, you can sign up on my website, julietooten.com/membership. You can try it out for a little while. If you don't like it, you can leave, no problem. And there's country pricing in there. So check it out, join us, let's play, let's expand, let's step into all of our magic and capacities. See you next time.